Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair of your Lenovo IdeaPad 14, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure to have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or parts. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep track of the screws, they can vary in size. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious to avoid damaging the clips that hold it in place. After removing the panel, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the motherboard. Before proceeding, make sure to ground yourself using the anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. Carefully disconnect any cables connected to the motherboard, including the keyboard and display connectors. Note where each cable connects, as this will help during reassembly. If you're dealing with a damaged motherboard, inspect it for visible signs of damage such as burnt components or corrosion. In many cases, cleaning the motherboard can resolve issues. Use isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to clean any residue, ensuring that the components are dry before proceeding. Next, if you need to replace the motherboard, look for the model number on it and order a compatible replacement. If you require assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help identify the issue accurately. Once you have the new motherboard, place it carefully into the laptop casing and reconnect all cables. Make sure to double-check connections to avoid any problems after reassembly. Before putting the back panel on, it's a good idea to power on the laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of transporting your laptop. If everything works as expected, turn off the laptop again and reattach the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring all screws are secured tightly. This step is crucial as loose screws can lead to further damage down the line. Finally, for a complete service, always ask for a quote before repair if you choose to use a professional service. This ensures transparency in pricing and helps you make an informed decision. Your Lenovo IdeaPad 14 should now be functioning properly after the motherboard repair. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning and diagnostic checks, can prolong the life of your laptop and enhance its performance. Thank you for following this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.